I think I got my Doppler today. So excited. So I got it off of eBay, and then I got extra gel off of Amazon. I think all of it together cost around $100. Very good price. So now to break into this thing, maybe I should have grabbed scissors. Ooh, it's like Christmas. Ow, my goodness. Oh my goodness. Get out my keys, maybe that'll help. I feel like getting back up to get scissors. Because if I do, my phone will probably fall over. So, here it is. Contec. Pocket fetal doppler. I'm so excited. Been waiting forever. It's only been like, I think I ordered it at the end of October. Oh my goodness. So, it comes with this instruction booklet. And then here's the Doppler, well, the monitor. Here's the gel that it comes with. And then there's that part of it. And there should be, there's the batteries. So, I'm just going to put it together here, and then we shall see if it will work. I'll do a second video for that though, because it might take a little while to find it, because I'm only 8 weeks, or sorry, only 4 months, so 16 weeks pregnant. And I don't have a full bladder right now, so it might be a little trickier to find my uterus. But I am super excited. I've wanted one of these with every one of my pregnancies, but never had the money, or never really looked into it because I just assumed I wouldn't have the money for it, assuming that they would be very expensive. But it's 2016 now. Baby number 4 and last one. And let me just plug this little cord in the bottom here. If I can get it the right way. There we go. Batteries in the back. Okay, so I'm going to give it a try. I'll see you in a minute. Wish me luck.